AI is coming for your job, is it? Everywhere I turn online, people are panicking. Will ChatGPT replace business analysis skills, project management skills? Will I be needed in 5 years? I get this question so much, and today I want to give you the real answer. Not the fear-mongering answer, the real one that would actually help you to know how to protect your career. Welcome to my channel. This is the place where I share career strategies for breaking into tech, yes, project management, business analysis, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, if you've ever thought about pivoting into tech, building job-ready skills, creating a career that truly excites you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Every week, I drop real, new, no-fluff strategies that work. Today, we're tackling a question that keeps a lot of people up at night. Will AI replace project managers or business analysts? And more importantly, how can I stay valuable in a world where AI is growing every day? Now, let me take you back to my first months in tech. Yes, we all love a good story. I pivoted from healthcare. I was working like crazy. Shifts, career change. Honestly, I was terrified. Every time I opened LinkedIn, I saw articles screaming, automation is taking over. AI is the future of work. And it wasn't even as bad as it was now. I remember thinking, did I just change careers into a job that a robot would take from me? And here's what I learned as I worked in real projects with real teams. Tools change, but people, they remain. It is so essential. AI can analyze data, yes. It can summarize reports, generate documentation, but AI cannot replace human judgment, emotional intelligence, and leadership in projects. So now let's break it down. Number one, will project management be replaced by AI? The answer is no, but it will evolve. AI can help you with automating schedules in tools like MS Project, ClickUp, predicting delays using historical data, tracking project progress automatically. But a project manager's core role, managing stakeholders, resolving conflicts, making judgments, leading people, cannot be automated. For example, one of my projects, we had a 6 weeks delay. A supplier went bankrupt. No AI could solve that. It took human conversations, renegotiations, creative problem solving to bring the project back on track. Number two, what about business analysts? You know I love my BAs because I'm a BA. AI can generate user stories, yes, draft requirement documents, analyze data faster than ever, but AI can never ask the right questions in a stakeholder meeting. AI can never understand the politics and emotions behind the business decision. I once led a workshop where stakeholders were giving conflicting requirements. What looked like a data problem was actually a trust problem between two teams, and that's the human side of analysis. AI can't replace it. Now, how do you stay relevant in the age of AI? Number three, here's what I tell all my clients. Master the tools AI can't replace. Soft skills, that is your core. Stakeholder management, storytelling, critical thinking. Instead, leverage AI. Use ChatGPT to draft your documents, data preparation, brainstorming, bring your own judgment. Build a strong portfolio, show that you can deliver results in real projects, even in an AI-driven environment. Now, number four, how long will it take to learn and transition? If you dedicate 3 to 6 months, focused learning, hands-on projects, you can become job ready in project management or business analysis in a short time. Now, what tools do you need to learn? For project management, focus on Jira, MS Project, Miro, business analysis, Excel, Power BI, Lucidchart, Balsamic, MS Visio. Get ready, you are unstoppable. So will AI replace project managers and business analysts based on what we've discussed? No. But the ones that ignore AI might be replaced by the ones that embrace it. If you are ready to proofread your career, here is your next step. I have a paid community. You will get 2 live calls per month, self-paced learning on project management, business analysis, and data analysis, daily actionable tips. You want to check the description below for more details. Get your hands on 10, 20 portfolio-ready projects. These projects will give you the confidence to walk into interviews and say, I have done this before. Check the link in the description for that. You can join my full training on project management and business analysis. We actually kick off on the 30th of August. It includes a live project. And what else should you do? Subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share the exact strategies and insights that I use to pivot my career, and I help my clients and my students to do the same. And I want you to remember, AI is not your enemy. Be prepared. Grow together. One thing you can definitely use AI to do is to start. Always use it to start, but use your own core skills and your own soft skills to move. Do you get what I mean? Like, if I have to write a set of user stories, I can use AI. Because me, I'm so good at it, I can even do it without AI. But one thing I tell people is, whilst you're learning and you're trying to become a better person, a better business analyst, and a better project manager, please embrace AI. But whilst you're still getting your hands dirty and knowing the core, the basics, the fundamentals, you know, the Bible says that a house that is built well does well. I might have not quoted the exact scriptures, but you get what I mean. If you build your foundations on AI, you're setting yourself up for failure. I'll be very brutally honest with you. I want you to learn the core and the fundamentals, build it on your own self. And then when you get better and better and you're growing, use AI. This is one advice that I will give to anybody that is willing to take. Please don't start your learning journey with AI, but when you get better, use AI to improve yourself and improve your skills. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you want more like this, which I'm committed to do every week, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, follow me on all my social media platforms. Instagram at Ibiyemi Career Coach, TikTok at Ibiyemi Career Coach, LinkedIn Ibiyemi Fashipe, and all the details, you find them in the description. Thank you for watching this content, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.